Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, now at the end of tonight's episode, we saw a snippet of tomorrow's episode of where Umusa is sending his family, his uncles or his people to go to Umakwela's house to do some lobola negotiations. We're going to be seeing Umakwela's family cooking. I guess finally we're going to see or meet some of the family members, and maybe I don't know if they're gonna get a chance or we're gonna see them mentioning something. But something that has people talking is the fact that we saw Uguti, the Makwena or the Kwena family rather, was asking for Ivula Mlomo, yes, 16,000 rands, you guys. Now people are like, hey boy, 16,000 rands, so much money. But it looks like Umusa's Abakongi Balamusa, they seemed surprised, or they seemed as if the price that the Kwelas wanted for the Nobola was quite hefty, because we see another scene where they are speaking no Musa when they are back home now, and it looks like they are saying, "But I asked Jigi," but Umusa kind of looks stressed. Now, guys, customs are different, but according to my knowledge, I know of a situation where the Vulamlomo was very high, but it was not necessarily money that was separate from the Nobola. So uzothola ukuthi yes, the Vulamlomo is 16,000 rands, but that 16,000 rands is being added to the total Nobola amount, not ukuthi imali esesiting. But again, I'm saying people's customs are different, you guys. That's according to my understanding. Now, the Kwela family thinks ukuthi Umusa is moneyed, and it could be that Vulamlomo is a separate amount. It's a separate 16,000 rand, and then they're going to charge him separately for the lobola. Hey, well, guys, some people's families out there, listen, abadali ngabo. The Kwela family is not playing with their daughter. But anyway, guys, we know Uguti Umusa did say Uguti he did pay lobola for Umakwela in December. So whatever's going to be stressing him in this episode, listen, it stressed him enough to a point where he ended up gathering that money and he paid the lobola. Some guess seems to be the wife right now, so I guess we're just going to watch and follow along with what's going on, or how with the procedures. The wives came, which are the Mselegu wives, will be watching the same time as us guys, seeing what their husband was up to behind their backs before he got sick. Hey guys, anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts. What do you think about this whole Vulamlomo of 16,000 rand? Do you think, just like me, as I'm saying, there has been instances where I've been part of a lobola negotiation ceremony and the 16,000 was part of the total amount? Do you think it might be that case, or do you think the Kwela family might be taking advantage of the Mselegu family, thinking what he's moneyed by charging him like a huge Vulamlomo amount and charging him a separate amount for lobola altogether? Anyway, guys, please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.